Excuse me. Hi, do you speak English? Yes, my name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free. You look very beautiful. You have a very nice style. So I just wanted to ask if you'd like a quick photo. It's completely free.
Yes.
Yes? What's your name?
Sam.
Jen? I'm Sam.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. So yeah, we can do it here. Now, Jen, do you have a favorite profile? This one?
Yeah.
Perfect. So Jen, can you stand like this?
Yes.
Yes, and can you look over there? Okay, and can I get a serious face? If you can. Yes? Yes. Yes, woo! Beautiful. Can I get a pose like this? Ah, very nice. Now, Jen, I have a question.
Yeah.
What makes you happy in life?
Doing arts and fashion.
Ah, very nice. So here are the photos. This is.
So nice.
Oh, you have a very beautiful smile.
Thanks. I like this one.
Yeah, I like it too.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yes. Oh, very serious.
Oh, yeah.
So what do you think?
I'm serious. Yes. Yes, it's nice.